Good morning, my name is Azara Nur Aulia from Afala Vocational High School, Jakarta. Today, I would like to share with you a traditional story from Bangka Belitung, Indonesia. This story called Bujang Katak. It is a tale about wisdom, nature, and responsibility passed down from generation to generation. So, please enjoy the story. There was an old woman. She lived alone in her hut. She was a poor farmer. She was getting older and getting weaker. She didn't have husband, but she prayed to God to give her a son. She hoped her son could help her work in the rice field. God, please, give me a son. I really want to have a son although he looks like a frog, prayed the old woman. God answered her prayer. She was pregnant. Later, the baby was born. Surprisingly, the baby looked like a frog. His head and his skin were like frog's head and skin. At first, the old woman was sad. However, later on she was grateful to God. She raised her son with great love. The baby grew as a kind man. He was very strong and obedient to his mother. People called him Bujang Katak. Bujang means a young man and Katak means a frog. Later, Bujang Katak became an adult. He wanted to get married. However, he didn't want to marry a girl in this village. He wanted to marry one of the king's 7 daughters. He told his plan to his mother. She was sad. She knew that the king would reject his marriage proposal. But she didn't want to see her son sad. And later, they arrived at the palace. Bujang Katak told the king about the marriage proposal. I really appreciate your courage, young man, but I cannot make any decision. I will ask my 7 daughters to give their opinions and decisions, said the king. One by one, all the 7 daughters talked. The first daughter didn't say good things about Bujang Katak. She insulted him. You are so ugly. No wonder people call you Bujang Katak. You really look like a frog. I don't want to have a husband who looks like a frog, said the first daughter. The second daughter also said bad things about him. You are very poor. I don't want to have a poor husband. So, the other daughters talked bad things about him. Finally, the youngest daughter had her turn to talk. She was the most beautiful and kindest daughter. She didn't say bad things about him. She accepted Bujang Katak marriage proposal. I will marry him, father, said the youngest daughter to the king. Everybody was surprised. All the elder sisters were laughing at her. The king was shocked. He never thought that one of his daughters would marry Bujang Katak. He wanted to cancel the marriage. So, he asked Bujang Katak to do something very difficult. I will let you marry my daughter, but you have to build a golden bridge from your house to this palace, said the king. Bujang Katak and his mother went home. His mother was very sad and confused. How can you build a golden bridge, son? said his mother to Bujang Katak. Don't worry, mother. I will pray to God to help me, said Bujang Katak. Then, Bujang Katak prayed days and nights. One night, amazing things happened. His frog skin removed from his body. His head also changed. He became a very handsome man. His mother burnt the removed skin. Amazingly, the skin changed into gold. They had a lot of gold. Slowly, they built a bridge using the gold. Finally, The bridge was built from their house to the king's palace. The youngest daughter was very happy. Her husband was very handsome and also very rich. He had a lot of gold. All the older sisters were jealous. They were even more jealous when the king asked Bujang Katak to be the new king. Thank you very much for your attention. That's all from me. Thank you.